How is my favorite student, Giovanni Bonella? I hope you're doing well. I hope you enjoyed my lesson last time. Here is a new lesson. We were talking about like terms, and we are going to continue with that. Yeah? We know that this here is a like term with that one. And of course, that's. Did you, wait until I ask you the question and then you answer. Don't say anything before it, okay? 2 plus 3. Oh, I told you, let me finish first. It's 5, I know. Slow down, little person. 2 plus 3 is 5. These are light terms. Here is another example of light terms. And of course, that, yes, I know you know it. So it's 2x. Yes, I know. That's that. And of course, it could be a situation where you have more objects here that not necessarily have the same stuff, but at least some of them do. By using the commutative of addition, you rearrange this, placing the like terms right next to each other, just for organizing your thoughts. Now using the associative of addition, meaning grouping these two to express that those are like terms. And of course, 3 plus 3 is what? Yes, 6, okay? 6x. And then, of course, 3x plus 3y is what, Giovanni? That's right, you can't add them up because they're not like terms. And what about 3y plus 3? That's right, you cannot add them either because they are not like terms. So this here is not a like term with this, nor like term with that. So none of them are like terms. Therefore, that should be the simplest form that you can write that. That should be the answer, in other words. This is the answer. Okay? But here I'm going to put something new for you. You can have situations where you have actually two variables in it. Oh, it's getting complex, huh? And then you have plus x 5xy plus 3xy. Well, all of them have xy, xy, xy. So it is as if they have the same thing, each one of them. They have the same thing. Therefore, you just count them and add them up. So it should be 3 plus 5 is 8. 8 plus 3 is, that's right, 11xy. So here in this case, these three terms are like terms. Why? Because they have the same xy. And the answer, of course, is just that over there, xy. So here's another case. 3xy plus 5xy plus 3zy. Okay, so the question here is, which terms are like terms? That's right, 3x and 5xy, I mean 3xy and 5xy are like terms. So that will be 3xy plus 5xy is 8xy. And then plus 3zy. Now the question here is, what is 8xy plus 3zy? That's right. That cannot be combined because this is xy and this is zy. They're not the same, so these are not like terms. They are not like terms. So therefore they cannot be added. So this is the answer. That's the simplification of it. Here are some examples for you to do. 3xy plus 8xy plus 5zy plus 2zy. That's one. The other one should be 2xy plus 3xy plus 4zx plus 3zx. That's another example. And here is another one. This you might like 3xy plus 2xy plus 5yx plus 3xz. Now this is pretty interesting here. This here can be written the same way as xy, because all you have to do is just change the location of this by using the commutative multiplication. So this, by doing that, you will have something that is alike now. See that? So if you get a situation like this, you can always change them to look the same as the other one and be able to combine them, okay? So that's just something that I just came up with, but you might want to do that, okay? Mom will give you some other more, maybe like 3ab plus 4ab plus 7az plus 9ab, and then you combine them. Those are different letters, but it's still the same idea. 5ab plus 3ac plus 5ac plus 5ad. Well, that's a little bit hard, but let's see what you get there, okay? Well, I hope you like my lesson, little boy, and I think you're doing fantastic. I shall talk to you tomorrow. I love you. Bye.